In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Google Play Store cache. If your Google Play Store is running slowly, not loading properly, or having trouble downloading or updating apps, clearing the cache can often help. This process removes temporary files that may have become outdated or corrupted, and the good news is that it usually does not delete your apps or personal data. To get started, open the Settings app on your Android device. Depending on the brand and version of Android you're using, the menu names may look slightly different, so don't worry if your screen isn't an exact match. In Settings, tap on Apps or on some devices, Apps and Notifications. This is where Android stores the management options for all installed applications. Next, look for the option that says See All Apps or App Info and tap it. This will open the full list of apps on your device. If you have a lot of apps installed, you may need to scroll a bit to find what you need. This section is useful because it lets you manage storage, permissions, and background behavior for individual apps. Now scroll down through the list and tap on Google Play Store. Make sure you select the Play Store itself, not a different Google app. Opening the app's information page gives you access to settings specifically for the Play Store. Once you're on that page, tap Storage and Cache. This area shows how much space the app is using and gives you tools to remove temporary data. Cache files are meant to help apps load faster, but over time they can sometimes cause performance issues instead. From here, tap Clear Cache. As soon as you do that, the cached files for the Google Play Store will be removed. This step is quick and usually happens instantly. You should also notice that the cache size drops to 0 or close to it. After clearing the cache, you can simply close Settings and reopen the Google Play Store. In many cases, this helps fix common issues like loading errors, stuck updates, or app download problems. If the issue continues, you may want to give the Play Store a moment to refresh the next time you open it. And that's it. Clearing the Google Play Store cache is a simple maintenance step that can improve performance without affecting your installed apps or account. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your Play Store working smoothly again.